History. Silver Streak Boats has a rich history dating back to its inception. Established with a vision for crafting exceptional boats, the company's journey embodies a commitment to quality and innovation. Since its founding, Silver Streak Boats has played a significant role in shaping the marine industry, becoming synonymous with reliability and craftsmanship. Recent developments. In recent years, Silver Streak Boats has continued to evolve with advancements that reflect its commitment to meeting the changing demands of boaters. From hull designs to propulsion systems and onboard amenities, Silver Streak strives to stay ahead of the curve. The brand's focus on incorporating the latest technologies ensures a modern and enjoyable boating experience for their customers. Current status. As of today, Silver Streak Boats stands as a reputable and active player in the marine industry.